All along the seaward side of the breakwater are huge blocks of concrete, some weighing over 100 tons. These have been dropped over the years to stop the sea eroding the base of the structure. However, even these huge blocks can get swept over the top of the breakwater in fierce storms, so nowadays they're all dated so that engineers can see if they've moved position. The huge blocks are made in these moulds, which are laid on the seashore at low tide and filled with concrete. When a block is needed to be shipped out to the breakwater, it's slung underneath this special lifting barge and towed out on a spring high tide. The weight of the 100-ton blocks makes the barge ride very low in the water, so the tug pulls it along very slowly to avoid submerging the whole vessel. Once the barge reaches the area where it's to drop the block, it's manoeuvred into position using inflatable boats. This calls for some skill and not a little nerve from boat crews as they push and prod the ungainly barge towards its position. Meanwhile, the main tow rope is still kept attached to the tug in case of accidents. As the barge gets closer, it's lined up on its marker poles, and as it nears the final position, the release gear is made ready, and there she goes.